welcome to this video. Today we've got Lexi and Daddy and me. And today we're going on a walk, but sadly we didn't have any dog treats left, so we just bought some shreddies instead, because Lexi goes for anything, don't you Lexi? Don't you, Lexi? Yeah. So we're gonna go for a walk. Lexi! Join your shreddies! Nope. Okay, you can have one. Catch. Okay, so we're going for a walk now, and I will see you in a little bit of time. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are at the cricket pitch. It's like a big field that we have around here, and I'm just gonna quickly get over this fence here, and now I am going to do a run with Lexi. So, Daddy, you're gonna hold it, the camera.
We're going to have to run up towards the clubhouse.
Okay, I will.
Is that filming? You know it's filming my jacket.
Ah, thanks. Alright then, so let her lead. Lexi stay.
Go then, start running.
Give me
Three.
5
Show her the
seconds.
trick.
2,
Lexi,
1.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. It was really fun making it with Lexi and Daddy, and it was really fun doing the running with Lexi. I think Lexi enjoyed it as well. Now I'm gonna give Lexi this one of the last treats. Lexi, this is sit, stay, catch it, good girl. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so bye.